Today, most of the people travel by the flights. Flight is most convenient, more more speed, and it drop us to our destination very quickly within 1 or 2 hours. So the fastest and most easiest or convenient transport or mode of transport is flight. But before taking flight, we book a ticket, and we book a tickets in advance days so that we can get tickets in affordable price. And after the booking of the plane flight tickets, we double check the flight number, our destination and ticket numbers very carefully. In the same way, by traveling of flight, how we can learn spiritual system in our life, how we can practice and be careful in our spiritual practice. The flight is more convenient mode of transport in today's generation. But does it mean we can take any flight and travel to our destination? No, because every flight goes to different destination. So should we travel to any flight that goes to any destination? No, we should take a flight that which we want to go to our own destination. In the same way, when we practice spirituality, we should carefully examine. There are so many spiritual gurus available in this Kali Yuga, but we should examine who is genuine spiritual master. We should examine that the practitioner of that spirituality is really successful. We should study or go through the scriptures very carefully. The main purpose, the ultimate purpose of human form of life is to love Krishna. And we can love Krishna by rendering devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Lord Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.